It's impossible to not trust yourself. It's impossible to not trust yourself. Because, friends, if you think you're untrustworthy, then you're trusting yourself that you're untrustworthy. This is going to be the subject of today's guided micro meditation. So close your eyes with me and let's take those 3 long, slow, deep breaths in. And of course out. I give you permission to breathe out. And you can continue that rhythm of long breathing if you like, or return to a regular rhythm of breathing. Friends, we all feel at some stage in our lives like we can't trust ourselves. It's almost as if we're trained to distrust ourselves, to think that everyone else is right while we are wrong. We find it so easy to doubt ourselves, don't we? And yet, if you doubt yourself, you decided to doubt yourself. You decided that everyone else is right and you're wrong. You're trusting yourself on that. Let's take another example. The moment where you feel like you don't know what to say. How do you know you don't know what to say? How do you know you don't have anything good to offer to the conversation? You're doubting yourself, yet you're trusting your judgment that you don't know what to say. You really cannot escape the position of trusting yourself, friends. And so, what this means is, why not just give up the silly game of pretending like you can't trust yourself and just actually follow your heart, follow your gut, just actually do what you wish you could do in a given situation. Consider, what would your life be like if you acted as if you really did trust yourself? If you stopped playing this game where you believe that you don't trust yourself, when I've just demonstrated with rudimentary discernment that you do. Basic reasoning shows that we all trust ourselves. So I encourage you today, friends, to just do the thing that you want to do. To just act how you want to act. Without harming others, of course. We want to stay within the boundaries of decent social behavior. But experiment. Be a bit more bold today. When you catch yourself second-guessing your thoughts or your behaviors, just say, I know this is a faulty behavior. This idea that I should check myself, that I can't trust myself to just be as I am, that I have to always be on guard to make sure I don't do anything silly. Trust that you trust yourself. And as always, friends, I'm happy to hear about what you discover in the comments. If you liked today's meditation, give it a like. If you want more of these meditations, subscribe to my channel. I upload these meditations daily for you so that you can head on out into your day, wherever you are, with a little more trust, with a little more confidence, with a little more or less of whatever it is I'm talking about that day. I'll see you in the next one, friends.